This is Obsuna. Mami. Oh, not.
Believe it or not, cartoon, he was the boy who kept growing and growing. He was overactive and pituitary gland. But the rest of his brothers and sisters were normal sized.
Ikot ko lang.
This is demonstrated perhaps most keenly in bending the iron rebar. I'm dying to master of mind over body. You gotta come on to the inside track. It is life. Shorty is currently regarded as the greatest half-man performer in the world.
Oh my God. Uy! Wow. Nakakatawa. No! Tinapa ako dito ko. May halika, may magic. Bakit? Ganda nito. Yung mga coins. Mosaic siya, mga coins. John Lennon ba? Ay hindi. Ed Chapman of the Manchester, England. Kala ko si John Lennon. Ang ganda. Tingnan natin closer. Oh, galing. Sobrang galing. Ang ganda. Ito naman si Van Gogh. Tama. Sa beans naman siya. Oh, Van Gogh. Galing. Galing. Hindi pa na siya. Nakaganda din. Nakakahilo siya. Sobrang nakakahilo lang. Pero illusion lang siya lahat. Ita-try natin mag-cross na nakakahilo. Ready? Get set. Go. Ayan siya. Pusa. Para akong... Nakakahilo lang siya. Para kang gumabaligtad. So, ewan ko ba, reprise. Let's go. Reprise. Parang ang pangin naman ito. Or... Pwede pa si Iron. High five! High five! There you go. Oh, si Captain America. Wow. Laki ah. Bumblebee. That's my handprint.
Wait, hold on. Don't fight against each other.
Yeah.
Interesting thing is that
Dinosaur. Tapos na kami dun sa Ripley's Believe It or Not. Punta kami dun sa pangalawang attraction. Ito siya. So mga 1 minute walk lang naman siya. Okay naman, mga Believe It or Not. So may mga gulat factors. Well, expected naman namin yun. So maganda. Nag-enjoy kami. So sana mag-enjoy kami dito sa susunod na attraction. Yeah? Let's go. There you go. So dito, kailangan ng gloves. Okay, so isa siyang mirror maze. Puro lang siya mirror. And hindi namin alam kung saan. Kung dito, no? Puro mirror. So hindi namin alam kung saan. Maganda to, samahan niyo ako sa maze. May ganon. May ganon. May ganon pala siya. Nakakatakot. Puta. Ang ginawa namin, pinuuna namin yung barkada para alam namin kung sa may patibok. Ay, dito. I know. No. Come here. Nakakatakot. No, hindi na. So, hindi namin alam kung saan yung exit. O, bumalik sila. Hey, asan na kayo, Ming? Bumalik sila. So, siguro wala. So, very Squid Game pala to. Paglalakad ka, nakaganong ka. Kasi, pakasalamin na. Ito na yung exit, oh. Nakita ko na yung exit. Pero, Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm lost. Patay. Puro salamin. Puro salamin. Oh my god, puro salamin. Nakakalito. Illusion Lab. This is the third and final, and then let's go. Scan the ticket. There you go. Oh.
Game.
Basically.
Probably get something to eat, ask him if he's hungry. He'll live it, but I want him to get hungry.
Dapat lumabog ka. Dapat lumabog ka. Okay.
There you have it. Yan yung aking quick na vlog experience dito sa 3 attractions na Ripley. So, 3 lang yun eh. So, parang per attraction, $12 siya. Lang. Maganda doon, kapag 5 PM kayo nagpunta dito onwards, meron kayong 30%. So, kung Ang isang ticket ay sabihin natin 26. Ang isang attraction is 26. That'll bring it down to $17. So malaking tipid din, di ba? So pag may mga combo, gusto niyo 2, 3 attraction hanggang 5, so mas nagkakaroon kayo na mas maraming discount. So open siya alas 9. Tingnan niyo na lang sa website nila dito sa Myrtle Beach. Ripley's Attractions. Ang ganda, sobrang sulit. Maraming salamat for hanging around with me. This has been Rob Suna Obsessions.